Hello YouTube, it's RCFreak69 and there's a shitload of bugs out tonight and they're really pissing me off. If I stop talking, then that means a bug either flew in my nose, mouth, or eye. Yeah, this is my bike. I got all my parts and stuff. I got the 25 tooth sprocket right there. Amber, whatever you want to call it. My chain is pretty loose, but you know, it's fine. I just got done riding. I was doing some fakies off those steps and off those steps over there. Yeah. I got some ODI grips. I'll show you what kind of pattern they are. There's that kind. And then I got some new handlebars, Diamondback. I guess that's a symbol for it. And then that's the sticker that came with my sprocket. God, these bugs are fucking crazy. Sorry for my language, but they're pissing me off. I had to take some links out of the chain. No. I will set this up for a second and I'll just do a little trick for you. It's not going to be great or anything. But, you know, it's decent for my level. And by the way, this thing's got a shitload of torque. Okay, that's one trick. And then that. And I'll try and show you guys a fakie if I can do them tonight. But, you know, it's either I can't do them or they're not going to be good. But I'll try and show you guys another. That was a bad one. Sorry guys. Gosh dang! Can't freaking do anything. There we go, there's a good one. Yep. That's about it for my bike today. I don't really know if I'm gonna get anything else for it because it's a pretty decent bike. Yeah, that's it for tonight, so I'll upload this video soon. And yeah, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, in my other video, I said I did a crappy job spray painting my headset, but I meant my stem, so sorry about that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much.